Practice set question. Today's first question, which is 9 root x minus 7 root x minus 36 equals to minus 16. We will find out the value of x. Okay, so this is very simple question. Like here is 9 root x and here minus 7 root x. We can write 2 root x. Very simple. This minus 36, we can add both side 36, so this 36 will be out, and here minus 16 plus 36. We can write add both side, add 36 both side. So here 2 root x equals to minus 16 plus 36, it will be 20. Now we can divide both side by 2. So x equals to 10. We can write divide both side by 2. Now our target to find out the value of x, so we can square both side. So x equals to, once we square 10 square and this root out, we can write square both side. So x equals to 10 square means 100. So this is number E. I hope you clear this one. Second question of this video. Here is x equals to 2, y equals to x square, and we have to find out the value of this expression, which is y square minus x cube to the power x square divide 3y. So here x equals to 2 and y equals to x square. So in this case we can find out first y value. So x means 2, so here we can put 2 and square, it will be 4. It means x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. Now we can put in here. So first y, so here is 4 square minus x means 2, so 2 cube, then to the power x square. So x square means what? X square means, x means 2, it means 2 square, and 3 times, we already find out the value of y, which is 4, so 3 times 4. Okay, then 4 square, it means 16, minus 2 cube, it means 8, and here is to the power 2 square means 4, and here is 3 times 4. So 4 and 4 out, here is 1, 4 divide 4 is a 1, and here 16 minus 8, it will be 8 to the power 1 by 3, till we can simplify. 8 means 2 to the power 3 and times 1 by 3. So 3 and 3, once we divide, it will be 1. So our answer is only 2. So where is 2? This is number A. Okay, so very important 2 maths we are trying to solve. I wish you understand, and I hope you will subscribe my channel. Thank you.